Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Simple Renovation Tips. This video is about replacing the cooktop only, because as you can see, that's the old one, and I would be replacing it with a brand new one in a brand new bench top as well. So what we're going to do now is installing a gas cooktop. So I'll just show you the steps for the connections, the installation and the sealing. Okay, so now I got the cooktop from where it's supposed to go. I was thinking probably it's easier to show you on the bench top as it is, because what we're going to be doing now, we'll be installing the first one. So we flip it over, but because of these burners, these sparks, you've got to make sure that you don't damage them. So I got this polystyrene, just put them that way. You flip it around. It gives you good cushioning so that you can work easily. So I've got the elbow, so I'll be installing the elbow here. And then I've got the regulator. So I'll be installing the regulator here as well. So the sealant, so I just like a tape, basically just wrap it around. You can get the liquid or you can get the tape, that's fine. Just have a few revolutions. That should do. Okay, let's install this one now. So this one is black anyway. To tighten it, just make sure it's pointing down so that you can have enough area to work with. So now, according to the installation manual, so it says this is in. As you can see, this is in, so the gas comes from here and exits from there. So this is the exit, so I'll put it that way. Okay. So we'll do the same thing. Just give it a bit more torque. That's it. Okay, because we have a female here and female, basically I went and purchased an adapter which is male. So we do exactly the same thing with the tape for both ends. We do the other side, the other end. Go ahead, touch the hose. Here it is. Okay, so I just dropped it back to its spot. Plug is gonna go there, and the male, female. So basically I've got a male there, and I've got a female in that flexible hose. I'll put a tape around the male end and basically connect them. That's all that is. Okay, so the flexible hose is installed. As you can see, it's all plugged in. So now let's test it. So I won't have to show you how to install the brackets at the bottom anyway, because that's pretty straightforward. These are the brackets. It's very straightforward anyway. Just put them across the bench top and the cooktop. There are four holes, one in every corner. There is an arrow, it's already shown there. Basically you put a screw through that slotted hole and basically tighten it to the bench top so that it doesn't move. So I won't really have to show you this one. Just wanted to show you now how it's all working. Here it is. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please watch the other videos that I have already on my channel about different areas of the kitchen, how to redo them, basically replace them. And thank you very much. The channel name is Simple Renovation Tips. And thank you again. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And if you want to leave in a comment, if you see that I've done something that's not right or you have a better way, please let me know.